As I told you, we will start Linux from the next lecture. So I am starting right now from the Linux. First of all, I want to say you some thing about the Linux uh, because what is Linux? Actually, the Linux is same like operating system like Windows and Mac, and it is also the most popular open source and free as in freedom operating system. It powers the vast majority uh, of the servers that compose to internet. It's the base upon the which everything is built upon. But not just that. Android is based on Linux. And the thing is, the thing is, uh, Linux actually was born in 1991 in Finland, and it went a really long way from its humble beginnings. It went on to be the kernel of the uh, GNU operating system or Linux operating system. There's one thing about Linux that the corporations like Microsoft, like Apple and Google will never be able to offer the freedom to do whatever you want in their applications, but Linux give the freedom to do anything which you want in your in Linux. So that's why right now there are several Linux operating system is there, like Ubuntu, Red Hat, and many others available in the market, because everyone produce their own Linux system in the basic Linux system. And right now, you people know the memory is a very big issue right now. So the graphical user interface takes a big memory. So the command line CLI is didn't take sorry, the command line interface is working within very short memory. Okay, so they are actually going in the opposite direction, building walled gardens, especially in the mobile side. Linux is ultimate freedom. It's 12 volunteers, some paid by companies that rely on it. It's some independently, but there is no single commercial company that can dictate that what goes into Linux and or the project priorities. Linux can also be used as your day-to-day computer, and right now the people are increasingly the use of Linux is increased day by day because the issue of memory. So uh, if I use Mac operating system because I really enjoy the applications, the design, and also used to be an iOS and Mac as an apps developer. But before using it, I use Linux as my main computer operating system. No one can dictate which apps you can run or call home with apps that track your position or more. So Linux is also special because there is just no one Linux like it happens on Windows or Mac operating. Instead we have distributions. So we will inshallah in the coming lectures, in coming I will explain you more thing about the uh, any command about the things exact commands of the operating system. But right now I want to show you some basic commands of the this operating system what we can use in the Linux. So the first command we will use here, sudo su hyphen. Actually you can say this is a password of or the login of the terminal. This is the first. Right now we are on the root user. Okay. uh, the first command we will use same like in window. We use directory dir. Here we can use ls. See how many folders are there. You can see there are 3 folders: fruits, snap, ul, and this is very basic command. We will use it again and again and again. The second command we will use to change the directory, which is called cd snap. Now we will again check the which files and directories are there in the snap. cls. So there are 3 folders there. Maybe we can go inside the folder Firefox. Now check please. There are 3 folders inside this folder. So if we want to go back, we can just use cd space dot dot enter. Okay, and if we want one more back, cd space dot dot. So if we want to know where we are right now, we can use different type of the things. For example, if we want to make a directory, what we can do? mkdir cars cls. See, first we check here. There are 3 directories only: fruits, snap, ul. Right now here's cars, fruits, snap, ul. So if you want to make the nested directories, we can use mkdir -p Honda, and you can say Swick. See, ls. See, there is another folder called Honda, and cd Honda. Like now we'll check what will in the inside the for this folder. Swick. Okay, so the next command is, if we want to remove some folder, how we can remove. For example, I want to remove the cars. So rm dir, okay, cars, cars, cars. Now check ls. So cars. But if the folder is not empty, we can't use this rmdir. For example, Honda. So what he said, the directory not empty. So if we want to remove this rm-rf, we can use it. Now see, remove that. Okay, and if we are here in UOL, and let me check cd iet Okay, we want to know where we are right now. For example, if we are in a building and I didn't know where we are sitting in I am new in that building, and I want to know the map of that building. You may see in the map you are here right now. The some If you go somewhere in the abroad, you may see in the universities, in malls, you are here right now, and you can see where you want to go. You can see the whole the map. But same like here in Linux, where you are right now, you may check the path from using pwd. You are in root first, then ul, then iet. Okay, so if cd dot dot, okay, the next command is move command. So before we have to go move command, I want to explain two more commands. How to create a file. I People told you about the how to create the directory, but if we want to create a file, which command we can use? Touch, touch. Touch command is used for a empty file. For example, uh, project project. Now see and see the difference. The folders are with the uh, blue background, and the file is with the white. Okay, with the white colors of the alphabets, and with folder with the blue alphabets. So uh, if we want to create, this is one command to creating an empty file. If we want to file but we write something inside the file, we can use nano, nano, nano. For example, management. Okay, uh, quick prawn fox jumps over the lazy dog. Okay, so if we want to exit, see here, there are, this sign is called control sign. You must first control then X. He is asking save modified buffer. We can say yes, pressing Y. Then he said file name to write management is okay. Yes, I said okay. So now see, there are two files. If we want to move this file inside a folder, we can say mv project to fruits. Now see ls, now see cd fruits. Now see ls, the project is there. Okay, only one folder, one file is there. So if you want to copy a file, so what will be the command? So the next command is cp management to uol. Sorry, there is error in the, I think, spelling. cp, sorry, paste here. No, we can say write management, management. Oh, sorry, management to UOL. Now see, ls, we just copied c d u o l. Now cls. There is one folder of management IET, and the one file is management is there. So if we want to copy a command, we copy a file, we can use cp. So if we want to copy the folder, then what we can do, cp, for example, see, cp -r fruits to UOL. Now see ls. Now cd uol ls. Also fruits folder is there, copied there. Okay. So if we want to find a file, for example, we want to find the management file, how we can find find, okay, uol from UL folder, management, management. He's saying UL fruits project, UL management, UL IET, and the management is there. So I think this is enough for today lecture. I will be with you in the next lecture. So bye bye, and inshallah in the will we will go for highly